feel like you're having dessert for breakfast with this amazing diabetic breakfast recipe, and it is perfect for meal prep. Let's go. Simple ingredients is where it's at. We start with 100% egg whites. You remember, you see the Great Value brand. You know I love Walmart. I do love Kroger and Aldi, but hey, Walmart is one of my go-tos. Remember, egg whites have protein in there, which keeps us full. Just look at the label and make sure it's 100% egg white for me, sweetie pie. Then we go into our mozzarella cheese. And I know you're like, mozzarella cheese and a dessert? Yes, boo-boo, we're going to talk about it in a second. And then I have a little bit of Swerve here. You know, Swerve is one of my favorite sweeteners to use. I am testing out a little bit of recipes with allulose, so stay tuned for that. And then we have our Lily's chocolate chips. Grab your whisk, fork, measuring cups. Y'all know I have a messy drawer, and of course that bowl. Get your workstation up and go ahead and pour a 1/3 cup of those egg whites into that measuring cup. Y'all know I cannot stand to dirty dishes, and so I always use what I have on hand. Egg whites are an awesome source of protein. Remember, if you are converting recipe, 1 egg is going to equal to 2 egg whites, and typically those conversions are on the sides of that egg carton. So go ahead and use that if you're saving some calories. I know a lot of y'all are concerned about cholesterol as well. We add to this a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, and you can see I'm pouring it in there, and well, yep, I did a silly. I ran out, so oopsies, you're gonna have to follow me to the refrigerator. I gotta get that bag of that Aldi cheese, and y'all, Aldi is one of my new favorite grocery stores in the area. They just opened up. You let me know in the comment section if you have an Aldi, and if you don't, what is your favorite grocery store? You know, one of my favorite things to do when traveling is I love to visit grocery stores. I know it sounds weird. People like amusement parks, they like water parks. Shelly Marie Redmond loves her a grocery store. But kind of back to this recipe, go ahead and pour that cheese in there. And some of y'all are like, cheese and chocolate, Shelly? I'm like, baby, don't knock it until you try it. Go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of those Lily chocolate chips. Lily's, again, 0 added sugar. It is awesome. You can get it anywhere. And I'm adding a very, very small amount of Swerve, only about a 1/2 teaspoon of Swerve. Now, one of the things I want to encourage you to do is, this is single serving. So it's going to make about 2 to 3 of these chaffles. If you want to meal prep for the week with this, which absolutely I encourage you to do that, triple this recipe. And you can kind of see that there's a little bit of clump of Swerve. This is a boo-boo on my part. You do want to store all of your sugar replacers in the freezer to prevent that. Walking this over to the dash, give it a little spray of that nonstick cooking spray, and I use an ice cream scoop to pour it in there. We cook it for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and you lift it up, you can see this is crispy. You see the chocolate's all melted. It is awesome, gang. I encourage you to double and triple this recipe for meal prep. You're gonna love this. You're gonna think it's dessert, but it's really breakfast. If you love this video and you're looking for more diabetic and pre-diabetic recipes and tips, please be sure to subscribe and don't forget to comment below. Loved it. Everyone, take care. Bye-bye.